Honorable Hopeson, when you be a D, to me, MPP by here, when you are Shindi, I would not agree with that, Honorable Hopeson. You have benefited. You have seen grace. They say your hopes na doyedia. It's just not an ordinary name. It is a big name. Enabling the environment around your name so you can use your name to eat. That is what the government does.
Omunila are part of the problem. Corruption. That's
no, seriously, they are really part of the problem.
Yes, corruption.
Meaning, they are really part of the problem because this is us selling a message that we want to break the eight, which is not an easy job to do. Then you say, when you have been the jow, and you the NDC for me pacho, another message, ya me person, me catch chairman Abronye, any chairman Hopeson, any nobody that thinks like them, then they say, ye abeyi na nado dan kwa Kufuor say, president of Ghana and not president of MPP.
Thank you.
And you just end this if one contract did yeah. In any case, more must say end this for the omoba omuncroft quanti and yet young pamu end this for na MPP mbrana ya ba ye cha and so be also chairman Drew obi our Ghana no ya MPP niana
Dabi
obiana eto about Ghana. So wouldn't you rather want a president here? Ocha dianin kakra no bipa onye ne party ni pwen be that is the president.
That's right.
A president is not the one like Mahama who come and tip money at party office there. More faces is dying. Now your hospitals go on ya. Ya going go on ya. Honorable Hopeson, Ukromu kwa ya. Ya Ukromu kwa. Abronye, one kasaba betine radio so, any TV so, and na mikromu bono. Ye ba ye 801 kilometers. Master, Abronye, master of communication. And ya busian ye. Sika, Ukromu for benefit. But who say young family mansion and mouse Abronye communicate ya power entino. Yan says Gamma Hopeson money one munkodintino. One kasa party, Ubeguno.
I said, I said, some people make it there and they go to a
go to the public sector, yes. Exactly. Go to private sector.
Go private sector. He didn't come for
we need the chairman. Say somebody like Honorable Hopeson, Onyemobo, Mimi. So what you say, Onyemobo, Wabobra, chairman, all jokes aside.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, it's your minimum why on this idea we are vendetta the day because party nankasa the sika he crown who hopes in the amount. Same with Abronye, at least on the chairman, into on the chairman, Sikababa. But chairman, I can tell you on authority, say, from 2020 yet to Abronye yet to now, no, Abronye to 2 cars. Case Ben Okodi here. Okodi case Ben. And your party who done now, Crawford, so what party who done now, you didn't let the radio so near Casa. Last on one, the general Casa, maybe sending the $200,000 to say. Mammy no ni wa he senya MPP a. Mammy no ni mo Abronye no wa he senya MPP a wo ba be kasa ma ya. E ya mamo nye sa. Na mo say the NDC for ye ne nye. Enso ene dia bayisam ni greediness inti greedy. And me nya bi ade na wo hwehwenya. What are you looking for? You want development for your country or you want to develop your bellies? We need to cut that crap out. We are above that. Obi Nimuka, you fake news. I'm above to that. Yabre. And I made communication. And I made communication. I am a Pasiampa for party way. And I'm making it believe say they are a credible alternative. And I'm to me, say, and this is a credible alternative. Because something never continue TV so Yapamome into me buafu. Abronye ne boka continue visa. And I enough go for na NDC for na send up continue. NDC for mu nipa, wo mu free Ghana. Now, Sabi, chairman, if you want to win your enemy, what do? Don't you do the things that will trap them close to you?
Of course.
You guys know nothing about governance. You just know how to talk. Into no, mobile TV, radio, so fact, no program. But inside your heart is corrupt. 100% corrupt. You are angry with your party because your party is not stealing money for you. That is corruption. Yantu Abama, Nanado Danko Kufuado say, Wambra, no Mra Medi Sabi, a MPP for so now every month Biano, on top by the 10th Uncle to party office. He is the president of Ghana. At the end of the year, why the Beckers will be one more Casan chairman? That is the part that pisses me off. When you do the checks here, one more they've all eaten. Round one, they were there, they were fixed. Me and my boss, Hopeson, now we said you, and also no, who just was on why you okay, after we will campaign. Why are we doing this? What are we gaining from it?
Abronye
My
boy.
brother, me pato, welcome. So about and the program now yes start, but I just needed to sound it because if you I have too much, if you Utway, oh yeah, a live, oh yeah, live. Say, aha, live, social media no be a go. MPP for woman can tramo. Say, social media, pay attention to social media if you want to win. Because I'm the one away TikTok and cook with TikTok. Last no part time and here Kasana your communication director. Ye too for say, pay attention to the people speaking for the party online. Or see, oh yeah, journey yahona the yama and say, better website. Normally the information they go into your information and they are compared to website. That is equipping people. This is how you want to equip people to fight these NDC vipers. If you to Obia phone bill amount. Obia data but all of you talk and you take allowances. Chairman who go to me, I would allowance. What kind of nonsense is that? I mean, actually, now we just start the program. Now, so my phone crap and say, hey, I don't know who I'm
Wasem kan onyame onka bi mawo se wo hu ntokwa ko a onyame onku bi mawo jabibia ma ne te say the awawa ka say the battle is the Lord's and I'm share mu ni na bo page yi so say one ya won etu o manu de ese na na do danko akufu ado so ne ba wo mi aso o mu di o matam ni nara the day of reckoning will come me ka kire mu say ebre bi beba Chairman Drew, I wish we did this show together because I had the Ankabebem. The soldiers you raise today will be the army that will conquer you. Enti eduabana endi simu gunumungu niye. Mu social media fo ayeko. Na sebe group ni na bad time so koto aba. Etiosu wo ho. Stevlin. Enye se emema na ekoto aba o. We say women organizer for. Women organizer keko.